Fairgrounds,
for the
Loudon State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, and White Pine State Park.
Just gotta figure that out, but there we go. Have to cover the speaker because it's gonna be loud.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central Lee County in north central Illinois, DeKalb County in north central Illinois, until 6:45 a.m. At 6:11 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Paw Paw, or near Shabona, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Windy outside. Holy
This
crap.
dangerous storm will be near Shabona and Waterman around 6:20 a.m. Malta around 6:25
That's a
a.m.
big wind gust, jeez.
DeKalb and Cortland around 6:30 a.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Sycamore and Maple Park. This includes Northern Illinois University, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 80 and 93. Interstate 88 between mile markers 83 and 101. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunder